Yoshi! Oh no, we forgot to get not Carmen Sandiego. Monkey Randiago. I don't think it was Randiago. Who cares? So guys, just a message. This video won't be so long. It'll be pretty short. Yeah, so we're just gonna be finding Monkey Randiago. Sounds like Carmen Sandiego. Well, it's Monkey Randiago. So we're just gonna catch him. It's gonna be like, I'm guessing 5 minutes long. So I hope you enjoy. And just sit back and relax. Enjoy the video. And we'll try to catch Monkey Randiago. Hey, did you know that Monkey Randiago is my brother? What? Oh. Do you know where he is? No. Oh, okay. So we'll have to find Monkey Randiago. Another note, we're not sure if it will be 5 minutes and maybe 3 minutes. Okay? Action! Or 2 minutes. You're going to have to solve this math problem. No reading. No science. Reading, science, math. Reading, science, math. Reading, science, math. You do not argue with an agent. So we do reading. Okay, fine. Well, it won't be helpful. What shape looks like Monkey Randiago? The circle. Oh, okay. So that's what Monkey Randiago looks like. Are you kidding me? Whatever. Fine. Monkey Randiago. Ah, they're here. I should run. Woo! Ow! I don't have any more gas. They're gonna get me. Boop. He went into my secret lair. We need to find him. Okay, so let's fly the plane. He might have been a teleporter. Yeah, it's his secret teleporter. What did I tell you? What? You gotta keep a secret from us? No, I actually told you that. Oh, okay, so where's it going to now? Read the thing. Las Vegas, Utah? Are you kidding me again? So, this might be 5 minutes after all. Yeah. Catching Monkey Randiago might take the max limit. Yeah, it's not the max limit. We have a solution. Well, yeah, we might not make it very long. So sit back, relax, and have fun, guys. Yeah, sit back, relax, and have fun, guys. Stop copying me. Just don't do it all the time, okay? When I want you to, just copy me. Like when I say, when I wink, when I give you the sign, copy me. Okay. Carmen Randiago. Get her! Get her! Ah, they're gonna get me. I need to run away. Oh, he needs to get back over here. We're gonna beat him. You got you. You're going to jail for being illegal for 3 years. Years and weeks. Okay, you're going to jail for 3 weeks. How do you like it? Okay, so that's over. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe. Even comment. Only good comments. Be nice. Okay, so this is the end of the video. It's been 5 minutes. Okay, bye.